Hello, this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and it is SheModern Saturday. This week we are going to be doing some fall nails, leaning towards Halloween just a smidge. Just a hair. I've got on some orange nails, but, oh shoot. It's by Beetles. It is number 449. It is this beautiful, beautiful classical orange. Love, love, love Beetles products. So I did those, cured those for 30. I am going to be using in this video the grip gel, and I'm going to be using the new stencil glue, which you could also use for dry glittering, pigment glitter, reusable stencils. So it has more than one use. The grip gel is for your foils, and we'll be using those. Where we have a little bit of glitter maybe. We got our bling over here off to the side. We are going to have one orange hollow sugar crush nail. Love the sugar crush. So first we're going to take the grip gel for the stencils. Let me see, where am I putting it? Where am I putting it? I'm going to go back over the thumbnail with it because that's the one that I touched. So I hadn't cured it yet. So that one is covered. Let me look. I have my little diagram off to the side here so I know what nail I'm doing what with. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I invite you to do so. And click the like, click the bell, click all. That way you get notified of all future videos. Let me see. We're putting glitter and this on here, so I'm going to only do part of the nail. We are going to be having some glitter on that nail as well. So I'm going to pop those in the lamp. I'm going to cure them for 30. We have our stencils here off to the side. Oh, why is my phone going buzz, buzz, buzz? Instagram. We have got our bat with the moon. Love, love, love. Over here is one full leaf. The other ones I have cut in half. There's this decal here. It's SheModern.com, where you can find them. It says leaf_1, and in parentheses it says S. They are gold and brown. So now, I'm also going to be using my Maniology Ice Cube Stamper. Love, love, love this. So we're going to be using this to pick our decals up with. Have a lint-free wipe off to the side, so you can give them just a quick little dab. There we go. Get your silicone tool. Give your bat just to, smooth it over a little bit. Make sure there's no air or water bubbles. We're also going to be putting some leaves. Whoops. Oh, it might help if I turn my light on. Hello. Maybe then I might be able to see. Okay, where are we? Just gonna smooth her out. That's the gold. I want the brown. Dab, dab, dab. Alright, we're back. I had a phone call, so I'm sorry about the interruption. We've got our two leaves I have cut in half on our nail and our bat. What I'm going to take right now is your sugar. It's a no wipe top coat, but on the bottom of it, it says, I don't know if you can see it, luminous no wipe top coat. So I'm going to take this and put it over the moon. I don't want to like spread all the whole nail. I just want it on the moon, so I gotta wipe my brush off really good because there's a lot of product on it. Okay. And I just want to light up the moon. There we go. So I'm gonna pop this in the lamp. We'll let that one cure. Our next one, let me see. So this one I can use for glitter, which is the SheModern, the new stencil gel. You can also use it to adhere glitter to the nail, it says. So I'm gonna try that out. I mean, it's not SheModern's glitter. It's glitter from the nail candy shop called Autumn Walk. It's really, really pretty. So I'm gonna pop this one in the lamp. Let that go. Okay, we need some top coat. Since I'm using Beetles Gel Nail Polish. I'm sorry, I had lost train of thought there. I'm going to top coat both of these nails. So, I'm sorry, totally lost train of thought. Total brain fart. Since I'm using Beetles Gel Nail Polish, I'm going to also use their top coat, which I believe is called Top It Off. I'm going to cure these because on the middle nail here I am putting some bling. I will also cure these for 60. Yes, yes, yes. Let me see, what am I doing with these? Okay. We are going to put some leaves. Dab it off. Let's see, where am I here? Apply it to your nail. Smooth it out. Let's get a, there was a gold one, I need a brown one. Since this is fall, we are going to do that. Going to add bling to that one as well. So I'm going to top coat this one. And there is a hair. Like one of mine. Like a long, I have really long hair. And it was one of mine for sure. Now, for the ring finger, I need, let me look at the bottles here. I need the new stencil glue. The ring finger is going to be a sugar nail. I'm going to make sure this nail is coated really well, side to side. Top to bottom. So I'm gonna stick that in the lamp. This is, let me see, let me hold on to those for just a minute. I want a certain brush. Is it working as well as I wanted it to? Not at all. This has, where is my blade? This has a maple leaf in it of some sort. Let me try to get it. I just can't get them. I just want one. There we go. There is the leaf. So we're going to put that there. We are going to, whoops. We're going to top coat this one as well, real quick. I know I'm out of frame doing this. There's my wax picker upper. Oops. Okay, let me get these other two out. Put those in. We have got the thumbnail here, which I kind of made a boo-boo. I'm going to re-top coat this. Then you want to add a little bit of bling. What do you think? I think that was really cute. And this one, I don't know, let me get these out and take a gander. Put the thumbnail in there for 60. Yeah, this is supposed to let me see. I made a boo-boo with this one too. Re-top coat this. Put my bling on it, and then we will cure. Oh man. Last thing I need is for my bling start flipping itself upside down. That's what it's gonna do. Whoop. Alright, let me get this one out. Put that one in for 60. Ow, ow, ow. Alright, hit an inch there, folks. This is supposed to be the, I feel like I didn't do it, like I skipped a step here. So, I'm going to re-coat this again. And I know I'm off camera. So I'm going to stick this in one by itself. Just bear with me. Just bear with me. I'm going to put this one for 30. And that is going to be our sugar nail. Tab both of these as well, so I can add a bling to the top of this one. Alright, we are going to add our orange crushed sugar crush. It does 3/4, so be careful. Well, not all the time, but most of the time. And I'm going to press this first out into the glue. Just making sure everything is covered. And because I do this, I don't know why I do it, but I do. I'm going to stick this back on the lamp for another 30 seconds. And pause this, clean up my mess, and I will be right back. Here is our mani. I'm going to shut some of the lights off, hoping you'd be able to see this one here. I don't know if you can see it glow, but it does. So let me turn the lights back on. And shed some light on the subject. This is our fall transitioning into Halloween. Our next one will probably be purely Halloween, I promise, because you know we only got so many weeks before. Today's what, the 3rd? It'll be here before you know it. So here we go. We have our sugar crush nail, our bling, our glitter, our Batman. We got a little bit of everything. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Click the bell and click all so that way you get notified of all future videos. That way you don't get lost in the hustle and bustle of YouTube. Well, this is the end of our video for this SheModern Saturday. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.